fine.
I'm just gonna stay wrapped in the.
Just spin around real quick a few times.
Here we go. No one's getting.
Heavy. A lot of food left in there.
Mhm.
Look at him trying to get back down in there. You want me to spray him?
Where's the queen?
Right. She's not in the box.
You want that spray bottle? You got it.
Does that make me happy?
Keeps him from flying.
I really don't know where the
Shake, put the lid back on and shake them down to the bottom.
oh, there it is.
You're gonna get stung in your butt.
Did you want to see that?
Be careful.
That's where the queen is.
See, it's a little plastic container there.
Mhm.
And then how does it come out? You just open it?
One with candy in one end. Like the stuff they line cakes with, they're called bonbons.
Okay.
I don't know how this one.
Isn't there like a lid or, I think the opening's down, right?
Yeah.
Take the cap off, put the opening down, and leave the candy exposed.
It's just I was used to little wooden ones.
And it's got a loop so you can hang it. Or no?
Yeah, but the loop's not gonna. I thought it was bigger.
I get that all the time. How's that supposed to?
I don't know how you hang it.
Does it sound like the bees are gonna be like just naturally swarming around this backyard?
No.
Okay.
You see her in there?
Oh yeah. Sorry, Mr. B. They're just all pissed off because they don't know what's going on. That works.
You had a nail it ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's the way I had seen it done, because it was a wooden box with a metal tab. I think they could smell the queen on me.
They went to that one spot, didn't they?
Yeah.
Wow.
That wasn't the one.
I think it was.
What the hell?
They're all around that queen.
The drive maybe they found her already, huh?
Yep. Huh? Which extra guys? Oh, they'll go get off me eventually.
Should do wonders for your garden.
Mm-hmm. They found the syrup.
Easy.
One done. They're gonna go in there.
They figure out where they're cleaning the longer.
I only saw one trying to sting me, and I think it's because I pinched him.
Really?
Yeah. This one? He's just saying what's up.
Got a couple on your back.
Last time I got one underneath my shirt, and I pinched. It got pinched, and I got stung.
Oh, on your stomach?
Mm-hmm. That kind of sucked. All right. Too bad. I think we'll get a nail out. I know we're gonna need that. I know where the queen is this time, so I'm not gonna freak out about that. Because I did kind of freak out about that.
Is that a cow?
I don't believe we have any cows near here. We used to have horses.
Oh, it's a motor.
Yeah.
Somebody revved something
At
up.
first it sounded like, I was like, oh, that does sound like an animal.
They like the birdhouse.
Someone does.
That lizard's looking for a meal. He's running the E with that shed next door. Now, can you do 2 hives real in quick succession like this?
I watched them do that. I would think too they'd get confused, but it's the smell. It's the queen they smell, and that's what they go after.
Yeah. Not just a queen, but the queen that they've been
Their
hanging out
queen.
with.
And that's why you have to. That's why she's got that piece of candy in there, so she's not released right away.
Yeah.
Because they don't accept her right away. So if you let her go right away, they might kill her. They'll surround her and create like a ball around her,
Yeah.
and it overheats her.
Really?
Yeah, that's how they kill her.
this a lot when I was still over there. I was there for 16 years, so I want to do all the time, like go get me
Yeah.
bees and get a garden. Wow, look at that.
Think they like their queen?
Right?
She's moving around. She's in good shape.
Now, is there a lid you got to take off to expose that candy, or no?
Yes.
There is one. Okay.
It's a little.
Okay, right there.
Yeah.
All right. I think one may have stung your shirt on your back.
Stuck in there.
No, he's moving now. Maybe. I don't know.
And those bees around the queen, those are called attendants. They're the ones that feed and clean her. Shit. Don't miss. There's almost no bees in that box.
They all came out already.
Yep. Hope you guys like your new house.
The metal or the wooden piece got shifted over a little bit.
Done.
Done and done.